Here we have the coaxial M1919 A4 Browning machine gun. We have our 76 millimeter main cannon on the M4A1. It appears this tank is pretty much relatively complete. Turn around here, we'll see the SCR 508. This is all one unit, receivers and transmitters. Right here we have the T17 hand microphone used by the tank commander. Here is an interphone box. This tank actually has all of the interphone boxes because I've been in all the positions. I'm not sure if they all work or not, but this is actually the first World War II era tank I've been in that has all the original interphone boxes, and they're actually, at least appear to be in working condition. I believe those are the buttons actually for the main gun and the coaxial machine gun. Those two little buttons right there, down the center of the camera. You can see the bow gunner's position down there. There's some spare periscopes. Here's your driver's seat.